Camera this video. You know the Oreo with chocolate but it melts because I put it in the oven. It's different. Like the Oreo. It's right there. Cannot see it. Like little crumbs. Other than chocolate now. This is my little puppy. He is in trouble right now. He says that like he don't move. When he in trouble, he don't move. Head to touch somebody. Pon reggaetón ahí. Later to come out and I'm gonna dirty. Bruh. Gabra. Okay, and let's put it out of the top. Un regatón. Oh, and I got this new balloon. I'm really scared. I'm gonna do it now. Okay, I'm gonna cut it off. I'm gonna show you it. It's so shocking. And I'm back. My goodness. Because I was going to okay, I'm gonna eat it now. I'm gonna try it out. I don't know how to get it tried. I'll put it back. Oh my god, you can do prank. You can do like a poop prank. It looks like poop right now. Trash. Okay, I'm back. Okay. I don't see the inside like your poo inside. See that there? It's the poo right now. I'm sorry, guys. So, like, I like it all. It's just good. Wait, no. It's not poop. It's to bring the people. I say, hey, look, this is poop. I'm gonna eat it. And then, oh, look, this is poop. I'm gonna eat it.
Please don't follow me here. Please don't follow me.
Wait, you want to walk away from me? Is that what you want to do? No,
Eat it.
It's kind of funny. You do want to fight. Every time you walk away from me, straight up. I know why you walking without trying to talk to you.
Maybe you could lick the bag.
And I know I'm like right and stuff. Huh? Just act mature, man. Try something you never tried before, man. Just act right. Act
I'll eat it all right now.
Ya yo me cansé, no quiero ser un amante. Te digo de
It's a
mi
big
parte
piece.
que no aguanto más. Ya no aguanto ver el otro como dice que es el dueño tuyo. Me mata el orgullo, él empieza a hablar. Esta la hice para él.
thirsty.
Cuando se entere y sepa que soy dueño de usted, tal vez suene un poco mal, lo sé y no me luce. Todo es por usted. Mami, yo me siento tuyo. Yo sé que no me sientes mía. Y de no me siento tuyo. Que conmigo siempre fría. Mami, yo me siento tuyo. Yo sé que no me sientes mía. Y de no me siento tuyo. Que eres una porquería. Venga viendo más.
You know the tagging challenge that I did? The girl that was she first did it. Like she freaking first did it.
Si tiene frío, ¿quién te da calor? Yo soy el dueño de tu fantasía, nadie lo hace como yo. Si te viste bonita, no te dice nada. Y a mí tú me gustas de sin maquillar. Tú siempre a mí me dices que te canta mal y eso lo tienes que acabar. Me quieres hacer, a mí tengo la inquietud. Si quieres cumplir con él, eso lo decides tú.
Watch this, I went to the car. Did it right now. Just technically, when you really put in a plastic bag though. Don't put in a contain, no water bottle, no in a plastic, no in a bag. Put it in a plastic bag. No in a bag, put it in a plastic bag. Try to do this. Everybody, try to do this. Text me. Fue un reggaetón ahí. I'm gonna get something. Okay, this one mine. I put my dog in.
Lying with you, I feel like me.
Stubby, stubby, kiss it.
Everyone's gonna pass, right? The arrangement premieres Sunday, March 5th at 10 on
Man's pooping. Ew. Shakira, Shakira, Shakira.